The FDA's decision to remove the black box warning on menopause hormone therapy, a landmark shift in women's health. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has made a groundbreaking decision to remove the black box warning label from hormone replacement therapy, HRT products, for menopause, sparking hope and relief among women and healthcare professionals alike. This move, prompted by recent scientific advancements and a reevaluation of existing studies, could significantly impact the lives of millions of women. A misguided warning, a decreased usage. The decision comes after a period of confusion and concern. In the early 2000s, studies suggested major risks associated with HRT, including breast cancer, leading the FDA to issue its highest warning label. This caused a dramatic decline in HRT usage, with an estimated millions of women avoiding the therapy due to fear of cancer or heart risks, based on outdated data analysis. A reevaluation of risks and benefits. However, recent scientific research has shed new light on the matter. An expert panel, formed by the FDA, reviewed the latest studies and recommended the removal of the warning. The panel's findings suggest that the benefits of HRT, particularly when initiated before age 60 or within 10 years of menopause, outweigh the potential risks. A revolutionary shift in women's health. The FDA's decision is being hailed as a significant step forward in women's health. Dr. Marty Makary, FDA Commissioner, emphasized the potential of HRT to improve women's health outcomes, comparing it to interventions like antibiotics or vaccines. This shift in understanding could mean better access to HRT and more informed decisions for women. A grassroots effort, a triumph for women's health. The removal of the black box warning label is the result of a decade-long grassroots effort by women and doctors. Thousands of petitions and advocacy have played a crucial role in this change. Dr. Rachel Rubin, a leading physician behind the announcement, praised the FDA's decision as a revolutionary step, emphasizing the importance of educating clinicians and improving patient-doctor communication. Continuing the conversation, while the removal of the warning label is a significant achievement, the conversation around HRT continues. Women considering HRT should still consult their doctors as it requires a prescription. The FDA's decision highlights the importance of personalized medical advice and the need for ongoing dialogue between patients and healthcare providers. A new era for menopause care. The FDA's decision marks a new era in menopause care, where evidence-based practices take precedence over outdated fears. This shift could lead to better health outcomes for women, improved access to treatment, and a more nuanced understanding of HRT's role in women's lives.